Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm showing you part 2 to the city. I built a lot and I've installed some mods. I'm going to be showing you that today. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the first building. It's the smallest of them all, but I really like the way this turned out. And this is an elevator mod that basically brings elevators to the game, which is very cool. It makes it so easy, you don't have to build stairs. And this is how every apartment looks. So you've got some nice things with the profession, related to the profession, and you've got a nice chair with a computer, something like that. And there's barrier blocks obviously so that they don't just walk out and die. So yeah, this is basically what everything looks like. So let's get on to the next build. Alright, so I had to fly out a long way to see this. This is something that I built not so long ago. I actually finished yesterday, but first I'm going to show you this one. So basically I've installed an elevator in here. So there's 3 floors, nice sightseeing view floors, something like that, so you can have a nice view on the village. And if you go up, this is the party room. It's very abstract, it's got some weird blocks, some glazed terracotta, and yeah, it just looks nice but weird at the same time. So now let's go to the post office, which I just installed yesterday. And yeah, it's a post office. I hope it looks like a post office, and basically you take a book and quill and you put 5 diamonds in there, but I don't want to put them in there because this is literally what I built. So you put the book in there and select who you want to get it to. So I'm going to send it to Mr. Strapsky, which lives in this house. And see, the mailbox is Mr. Strapsky, and it's there. So it's basically a teleportation mail kind of thing, which is very cool. It's a great mechanic in it, and it's very useful as well for the city especially. And also I've obviously got the physics mod on, because why not? Because it just looks good. Okay, so this is a garage, and this is where you can buy cars. This is a villager, special villager, the gas station attendant, which is very nice. And so we've got a book here, and for normal car we pay 64 diamonds. A truck, sports car, SUV, and a custom V3 or V6 engine, obviously. So basically how you do this is you take a piece of paper from the chest and you rename it to whatever you want. So let's say SUV, I want an SUV, a black one, for Mr. Szymoniuk, for example. So let's just write that on this piece of paper, and throw it to this worker, and he's took it now, and I mean it's actually in the hopper obviously, but I can see the orders and then just build the cars. So that's a normal car, the oak one. I've already built that one, and we've also got gas stations, so we can charge the cars with diesel. Don't know if you're supposed to say charge, but yeah, so let's build an SUV. So you get a body, some wheels, an engine, and a tank, and a registration plate. So I'm just going to quickly do that, and let's see how it looks. Okay, and we have now spawned the car. I really like the way this looks. It's got the wheel at the back as well, and it looks quite fancy. It's really nice. And you got 2 keys straight away, so you can lock and unlock the car, which is very nice. And now I have to charge it up with diesel and go for a spin. Alright, so we are now in the car. It is fully charged up, and we can get out and see how fast this can go. So our XP bar is showing how fast we're going, so 37.8 miles per hour, which is quite good actually. The normal car, I think it's like 34, so this SUV is a bit faster. But I just love these cars. They look so good and they work perfectly. So that's why I built this underground parking, because these flats need somewhere to, you know, park their cars. So I already got one truck here, transporter. So I'm just gonna park here quickly in my parking spot. It's quite hard to park these things, but thank goodness you can just literally push them with your body. So yeah, looks good. So let's switch the engine off and lock it with the key. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. There's going to be a part 2 because I have one more mod, really cool mod that deserves a bit of attention. So I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye.